as of now, we have completed like project accounting. I have not covered for your batch, right? O2C cycle. And next one is ISO. Next drop shipment. Then P2P. These are all the cycles completed. So I'm thinking to take 3-4 hours maybe tomorrow. So we'll sit on completely on XML publisher. 2-3 days we will have to finish that. And in the same way, workflow also. It's just like a workshop kind of thing. Daily taking 1 hour and you guys are not preparing, it is not good. Okay. Yeah, I'm also not able to spend much time. Now this is like last cycles in this back to back order flow. Okay. So if I ask you drop shipment, what will be your answer? Just one paragraph. What is the definition of drop shipment? Right? What is the purpose of drop shipment? Like
you don't have much quantity. We refer to supplier to direct to customers.
Correct. Right, correct. So in this case, it is supplier delivering directly goods to customer. But in our back-to-back order, the moment we require a goods, we'll ask supplier and they will deliver to our warehouse. Our warehouse people will involve in shipping the goods to the customer. It's very easy, but flow is totally different. Okay. So first step is what it is, flow steps. The flow steps, first is here, we will create a sales order. The moment we get a order from a customer is buying goods from our company. Now, once we get a order from a customer, we'll create an order entry and we'll book that order. And after that, we'll create a requisition as we don't have a goods. So to do that, there is a progress order we have to do. Progress order. And the moment we create a requisition, we'll have to approve. And then someone will go and buy the goods. That's called as a PO. And they will send the goods to us. That's called as a receipt here. So once we receive a goods, then we can proceed further based on quick release, then the further steps like shipping, everything. So these are all the steps. It is also a mixture of P2P cycle and O2C cycle. Okay. Now there are certain prerequisites. It is like prerequisites. So first we have to create item creation. And second one is there are some attributes we need to enable while creating an item. Attributes. Then we'll enable buyer here because buyer only can buy the goods. That's called as a purchase. Buyer will raise the PO. So here buyer we need to enable. That's called as a setup buyer. And third one is to populate item, like add item to the price list. These are the steps we need to follow. And in the same way, we need to open periods. Right now, I have opened periods for all the years and months. Like till 23 I have opened. But we should know the navigations here. Periods in modules. Like one is AP, yeah, GL, then inventory, purchase order. These many modules we have to open a periods. We'll see the navigations later. Okay. Whenever we come to the fourth point. So these are all the prerequisites. We can easily finish. Maybe compared to other flows, this is little short flow it is. So first item creation. Is it recording, guys? Okay. I'm selecting master organization, that is V1. It is back to back item. No, back order is different. Back to back flow is different. Then tools, copy from finished goods or purchased, whatever. You may get some pop-up. Just this is related to cost. It is done. Save. Now, like first we'll go to certain modules here. Attributes required here. These are all the item controls like PO tab, WAP tab, general planning tab, there is a OM tab. All the four, these are all four modules we can say. So without this, it will be equal to normal flow only. Okay. So first is purchasing tab here. In the purchasing tab, we need to enter price, like let's say 3000, and then buyer also, default buyer. Guys are able to hear me? Okay. In the purchasing tab, default buyer is here is stock. Then save. This is the one tab here. Then go to general planning here. General planning tab. We are going to buy the goods. It is not making. Okay. If you are making, there is a manufacturing modules are there. WAP, BOM, and all. At that time, we have to use make. But right now it is buy. It is. So we have to buy. Then two modules. The next is here. Go to order management and WIP also, work in process. This already enabled. If not, we have to check it. Then order management here. So these are all already enabled. But in this case, ATO, assemble to order. ATO. These are all the terminology you can learn if you have a time. Like in WIP module, it will come here. PTO, PTO, ATO. Just giving full form here. That is process order, configure to order, assemble to order. These are the WAP. If I tell you also what is configure, what is process, you may not understand. These are the terminology in the work in process. This is a separate module it is. But right now for this flow, you have to remember ATO is enabled. Okay. Let's say now next step here is, I think these are all you know already. In the P2P also we have seen setup buyer navigation. So go to purchasing.
Like purchasing and order management over there.
Yes.
Order management O2C and purchasing and
Purchasing is P2P. Yeah. So go to setup, personal buyers. So here is a place. If you are adding any new buyer, then this is the place to add buyer here. Otherwise, not required. Anyway, we are taking stock is already existing buyer and add item to the price list. So this you know right already. You go to Oracle Pricing Manager Global. Price list setup. You have to Press F11. In this list lines, you have to enable this. Shift F5 to complete previous field, then Shift F5 again. Easy for us. Okay. Price, like let's say $4. The effective dates for a price list line overlapping another line. You have not had another line, right? Add a An end date is blank. Okay, but within a price list, two price lines are matching EOM and pricing attributes cannot be overlapping. Okay, this will change the dates here.
Starting date also can be changed.
Right. A single item all it is, I think. Let's F11 again. It's just a note only. It's allowed again to save. See, correct? Close this. Is there any personalization out of it? Not that. I'm just removing the start dates and dates. Still issue. Okay, I think these are all, see, mandatory fields are there here. Pricing attributes. Okay, again, we need to run a concurrent program. That's okay. Say it's applied. Okay. So the problem is here, like if it is not allowing me to save that effective dates and all, you have to modify the attributes here. Usually in normal O2C and all, it has not asked, I know that. Okay. If it is asked something, like you can go to attributes. Okay, done. All the now periods will go. So just a revision only required in the organization. In AP module, like how to open a periods, what is the navigation, payables, then somewhere here you can check accounting, control, payable periods. We have to give ledger name here. That is right. Go to find. You are looking in this November month. It is open. So that is for AP. Tell me the navigation here. Payables, vision operations. the next. Right, correct. Accounting, then control payable periods. This is the navigation. The same way, go to AR. Receivable. Then check the navigation for receivables. In Otis, we have seen exams already. No. So here also control accounting and then right. It's open. I opened actually all this, otherwise it is disturbing everyone. Tell me navigation, control, accounting, open close. Looks control, accounting. Real market. Setup directly, open close. Here also open. You must remember all these navigations. Inventory. Go to. What is the shortcut key to switch responsibility? Correct. Alt W. Inventory. Then accounting close cycle. Another one is inventory accounting periods. Like if you are using M1, then you can go with the M1. Then here is the place you can open. Clear? Then what else? Purchase order. Navigation here. Inventory responsibility. Accounting close cycle, inventory accounting period. Purchasing. Purchasing vision operations. Then you can check here. Setup. Financials. Accounting. Control purchasing period. This is an area. Setup. Financials. Accounting. Control purchasing periods. Tell me. Setup. Purchasing. Right, correct. Set of financial accounting, sorry. Go through 2-3 times, you can easily remember all this. Regularly, we'll touch only this. Fine. And if you want to know from backend, there is a query. I don't remember whether I sent or not. It is experience query in Oracle Apps. Yes, yeah, we discussed, but I don't think so. I sent a query. These are all single table, that is GL period statuses, but we can easily check from backend, like copy and give the period name, setup, books ID, this all, so that you can come to know. Okay, straight away it will be available in Google, but only you must remember one table, that is GL period statuses and application as well. Application means which module it is. Is it payable, receivable, general ledger, inventory, kind of thing. And the join condition also you need to remember here. Application ID. Okay.
Sir, there is a doubt. Sir, in this cycle, we are basically opening all the modules.
All the periods.
Individually, all the modules.
Yes, yes. Otherwise, the data will not be able to create.
But sir, in previous cycles, we are not doing this. what, you did not, individually you did not change the period.
Individually,
That in here you are changing the period, so usually not that particularly on all the modules.
yeah, that is the reason why I'm covering actually. So it will be helpful for all the flows, P2P, O2C. It's a common generic, right? Okay. So now next step here is order entry here. Go to order management. Sales orders. Save. Back to back, right? Someone has created with the same name. Better keep your name. Capital letters inside.
Search also.
Yeah. Then 3 quantity. We save. The 5,000 we added. Availability. We don't get any availability because we don't have a stock. That is the reason why we are buying. Okay. So each and every stage we have to track that status. Go here. Order entry. Header level. And as well as line level. Both will, whatever the flow it is, initially it will be entered only. When users are working, they may stuck at approval or they may stuck at booking level. So we should help them by doing by giving a support. That is the reason why this statuses you must know as a developer. Users may not aware. Okay. Now let's book that.
From backend also you can.
Yeah, backend also we can check. Same flows, right? Right. So enter, then book order. In case of a normal O2C, these are all common because we don't have a stock only. That's why we're continuing. If you go to line items, it is supply eligible. You may get production open also in this. So at that time, we have to disable a sourcing rule. Sourcing rule, I'll tell you where we need to enable. That is line level supply eligible. Okay, at header level, obviously, it will be booked only. Okay. So as of now, order entry as well as booking is over. Clear? Now next is progress. So progress the order. For progressing, simply we will give a right click. There is a right click. Progress. Okay. Progress order. Only one value it has in this LOV. That is create supply order. Click on OK. This is a status. It will change. See right now, external requisition requested. I'll copy this. After progressing order, what has the line level status? You need to remember all the statuses. So we requested, your system is expecting requisition is requested. Right now the data is available into requisition interface tables. So do you know the requisition interface tables? Requisition interface tables. No, that is base table, right? So you go to here. There is a integrated SOA gateway. Okay, this is the common repository for all the modules interface tables. Now tell me which product family we need to take.
Purchasing.
Correct. So that is procurement. Under the procurement, there is purchasing. And interface type is, if you wanted API, then we have to go with the PLSQL. And if you wanted to know some other electronic data interchange, EDI, or any other thing, concurrent program, we can go with the same filter criteria it is. So right now it is open interface. You can go to next 10 records. This is a program, but we should know the interface table name. This is the interface table. Two tables are there. There is no header interface table. For headers and lines, only single interface table is there. PO requisition interface all. In this table, you must have the data, then only we can proceed further. And this is the record. Based on the data I'm checking. But what you have to do is, there is a source line ID, that right? Source line ID. Based on this, you can identify. Just check the this. Order number. Yeah, no need to remember. You'll paste it, okay. Okay, so what is this value? Is it matching here? 853,293. Is that correct? Line ID. Now people will ask you here, what is the link between requisition and order management? Request interface tables. Definitely the question here. Between OEM tables, PO interface tables, not base tables will be little different. Okay, what is the link? Link is it is where you can check the column name. I also know interface line 86, right? Therefore, interface source line ID is equivalent to line ID of your sales order. It is this is your record, correct? Now tell me the join here. This interface line ID is equivalent to line ID from OE order lines. So what will be your answer here? Line ID OE order lines is equivalent to column name. Yeah, you need to remember all this definitely. Interface source line ID.
That is joint addition.
Right, join only I'm talking.
On top of it.
Okay, you keep here. That's it. Okay.
They are simply better.
Yeah, but if I say simply OL, you may not understand. That's why I wrote a full table here. So is that clear? Now, how to create a requisition, how to import it. There is a program name. Program name is requisition import. So this is what it is. It's a concurrent program it is in your system. Go to purchasing. Requisition. Check requisition import. Okay. So from where are you importing? Source, import source. Which module? Right, order management, right? So order entry. No, actually, we have enabled ATO, right? Assemble to order. You take this CTO, configure to order, submit. Now click on this equation import. You can see the number of equations are created is 1, but it has not given a number. To identify the number, you can go to order management again. Order management. Now order returns and sales orders. Take this order here. Query this order. Now you can go to line level. Then there is a tools here. Scheduling. Then reservation details. Supply tab. Here is the place you can see your requisition number. So this is the number 16554. Okay. You are on this particular order line. The requisition created is 16554. Okay, and its quantity also. Right now 3 quantity, and here also 3 quantity. We are right now in PO, but we checked from order management. We'll go again. Okay, just for remembering. Tell me how to go. First, tools, scheduling. Sorry, tools, scheduling. Then right, reservation details. Then correct supply tab, and here is the place. This is the number. And what is its status? Your requisition status. Is it approved? Anything here? It's not there, right? Your requisition is created. Can you guess what will be the line level status of sales order? Same only. Yeah, it's open. Sorry, so requisition is created as well as approved, right? So after this, your line level is sorry, earlier requested. After creating a requisition and approving, it will be open. Open means it is created. Next is buyer. Buyer has to create a PO. So how they will create a PO? Change the spending. Same. Let's say. Okay. Yeah. And instead of going purchase order here itself, there is a purchase order module. So instead of switching, this is all difficult, right? Go to auto create. These defaulted values you have to clear. Many people are not clearing this. So it will not match, right? Clear. Then the requisition number. This one. Standard PO, automatic. Any supplier.
In this part, when I'm facing some problem, that put the supplier name, it takes automatically and goes off. I can't put supplier side and all the values.
Okay, yeah. On that day, like some form personalization was there on this window. I disabled that. Okay. You go to if it is not opening properly, diagnostics, custom code, and personalize. So this I deleted actually here. Some personalizations were there. Okay. Automatic. create. This is a text message. Yeah, this type of personalizations giving an issue, right? Go to these are all. I'm deleted. I will not get that issue. Whatever the created PO, if you wanted to check again, go to order returns and sales order. You need to go to tools, same navigation, scheduling, reservation, supply tab, still requisition. That means we have not created. We failed to create that because of that window. Going here, auto create, clear. Created but not approved. Yes. Yeah. It's purchase order is created but it is not approved. It seems. So if you want, you can check here. This one correct. 6868. 6862. PO. And sales order status. It's an incomplete right now. Okay. It's contact. It's approved. Okay. Now go and verify in sales orders. PO opens. You have to be careful with the status. Okay. Or receipt. So till receipt we can create. Navigation here is receiving. Sorry, we went receivables. Purchasing. Receiving. Then receipts. Then V1. Purchase order number. Take this PO number. Based on the destination it is. Is it correct? 6862 only, right? Go with the V1. Sorry, M1. Change the organization. Right? So at the line location level, it has taken the M1 related ship to. So you have to check M1 here.
But my issue is even not.
Yeah, we booked it from like M1, right? If you go to order management, yes, we booked it. So we need to receive to M1 only. Take this. Check the checkbox here. If you get any type of notes, you can ignore. then sub inventory, stores or whatever appearing here, let's say stores. Save. Take this, step 4. Now you go to verify the sales order status. There is the last step in this flow. Okay, hardly 6 steps are there. So once you get an awaiting shipping, you can proceed further with the pick release, shipping, invoicing, these are all, okay? Yes, we proceed, what will come to the picture. So till only 6 steps we require, till we receive the goods into our warehouse, okay? So I hope we've gone through well, go through it all. So guys, do you have any questions online? Flow is completed here, back to back order flow. Deepali, do you have any doubts? Dhanlakshmi?
No, I have
No,
to
sir.
check and then.
Yes. Finish all the cycles, then only you'll be able to understand further depending XML reports, conversions, all those.
Yeah.
How about you, Rohit? Priyatam? Vinchana?
Fine, sir. Noticed.
Okay. So let's have one status meeting in the evening. Like I need to know like how many topics you completed. Just 10 minutes, nothing much. Okay. If
Okay,
I,
sir.
please remind me. All like it applies to you, not only Priyatam. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.